Okay, my name is Christian Siregar. This is the different topics of yours because this is about the traditional culture. Yeah, I would like to talk about traditional culture in Indonesia, especially Sabilulungan. In English, cooperation. The positive effect of cooperation or Sabilulungan in our language. It's about the traditional culture, how it's implemented on civic groups, yeah, discussion supported by video-based learning. Yeah. So this is the agenda. These are problem background, theory and methods, research result and discussion, and conclusion recommendation. So what's the problem of this research? Actually, the problem is the lack of motivation and learning achievement among students in the rural area in Indonesia. That is Sundawiwitan village in Cigugur, Kuningan region, West Java province in Indonesia. Yeah. They live as an indigenous community, yeah, with limited access to Wi-Fi, to internet. Yeah. So they live very traditional. Yeah. But COVID-19 has a deep impact to them. Yeah. As I said, a lack of motivation and learning achievement in the student of Trimulya Junior High School. Yeah. The only one school in that area, yeah, in that village. So the question is, how to increase the motivation and learning achievement of Trimulya Middle School student after COVID-19 pandemic or in the endemic era? Yeah. This is the question of the research. Yeah. There are many theories about this topic, but the conclusion of the theory is emphasize that the importance of small group, yeah, to in learning, yeah, in the learning activity in class, yeah. As Panis Bave Davis, yeah, Pane Siregar, myself, and the others said, yeah. The study conclusion shows that students who collaborate in group experience or group work, yeah, they have experience higher levels of satisfaction than those in other classes when non-cooperative teaching strategies are used. Yeah. So I want to try about how Sabilulungan, yeah, gotong royong or cooperation, when it implemented in the learning, yeah, the value of Sabilulungan, I mean, yeah, could enhance the motivation and the results in learning, yeah, to solve the problem, yeah. The methods, yeah. The methods I use in this research are class action research, yeah, class action research, which has four stages, yeah. That's planning, acting, observing, and reflecting. This approach is based on a model created by Chemist and Taggart. Yeah. So I use Chemist and Taggart's theory to implement it in this process. Yeah. there are 36 8th grade students from Trimuria High School participated in this study as respondent during event semester on academic year 2022, 2 years ago. I use combination methods, qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative, it means along the study, along the learning, we as a researchers observe, making the document evaluation and interviews that explain how students learn in classroom. And for quantitative, we use 3 cycles. It means 3 activity. Used to determine the quantitative component. This finding come from student cognitive and emotional exams on learning, as well as their ability assessment results. Both learning and assessment instruments are used in this assessment. So combination of quantitative and qualitative. And also we use in Indonesian we say it syllabus, syllabus or RPP, to as a learning tool also. We focus to look for how to enhance the cognitive and affective ability of the student. And also we use three stage. As I said, planning, doing, seeing, and evaluating. And the last is reflecting, and then repeat it from the first, etc., etc., etc. The result, the result of this research that the implementation of Sabilulungan value in learning activity could enhance the ability of student in learning more better than before. This is similar with the finding of another or other research, as McClellan said. So this is the table of the results. Cognitive, affective aspect is get more than standard of success according the grade that implemented in the school. 75 and then but they get 76 and 77. That means upper from the standard. Also in table 2 in second cycle, success, they get average score is 18. And the third also they get increase, to be 84.18. So this study could conclusion that the study is successful since evaluated affective and cognitive components had attained the set target. According to comparison of the data between cycle 1, 2, and 3. The conclusion of this research, the teacher-centered model approach with traditional teaching methods is no longer relevant. Students must be given a wide an opportunity as possible to explore their learning potential and work together to achieve maximum learning outcomes. In the context of the Sunda Wiwitan indigenous community, learning at Trimulya Middle School can be carried out by applying the core values of Sabilurungan, or cooperation, and having discussion in groups. VBL, video-based learning, can be used as a medium to enhance student motives and motivate them to learn in addition to discussion method with teacher assistance. We use VBL because, as I said, there is very limited access to internet in there. So we can make the copy of video-based learning, and then we will present it in the class, without internet facilitation, Recommendation 1 is using VBL as case illustration for group discussion material, especially in rural areas with limited Wi-Fi, such as the Sunda Wiwitan village. Recommendation 2 is using a variety of learning activities by involving students in active learning to increase student motivation and learning achievement. I think that's my presentation. Thank you very much for your participation, for your support. Thank you.
Thank you, Christian, for the presentation. Dear colleagues, please, if you have any question, feel free to ask question. I have a question for you, Doctor. Regarding, I understand now that cooperative learning and collaborative learning improved students' motivation and in turn, their success, their academic success. Good. If you don't mind, is there internal and external factors that come into play to motivate students while they are in their group work? In other words, have you considered certain other factors, whether internal or external? When I say internal, regarding coaching, regarding supporting students, regarding maybe when I talk about external, maybe families or whatever external factor. Have you considered these factors?
Okay, yes, very, very good. Thank you, Professor. This is the positive and very good suggestion, I would like to explore my research by using your suggestion to see the family factor, for instance, and the other factor besides the traditional value factor. Thank you very much, Mr. Eldeguai.